Hey, how y'all doing? It's May 4th. I'm on my way home and I thought I'd stop and do a little video and show you something interesting. Check this out. This is Humboldt Bay. Got the fishing boats out here. And there's something missing, something nobody's talking about. Maybe somebody knows what happened to them. There's no seagulls. Now, way across the bay over there, there's like a handful of something sitting over there, geese probably, but there's no seagulls. Where are all the seagulls? Where have the seagulls gone? There's no pigeons. I work driving truck, and sometimes I have to take a big load of garbage up to White City, Oregon, and there used to be thousands of seagulls, thousands of ravens and crows and little blackbirds and eagles. I went there last Saturday. There was only about 10 ravens. That's it. All the other birds are gone. Where are the birds? Okay. Now you see up there on top of the building, there's a few pigeons. That whole building should just be covered with pigeons. Where are the birds going? What are they doing? I don't know. Maybe they've been quarantined. Yeah. Maybe the governor sent them to a special bird quarantine hospital or something. I don't know. But we're missing our birds. And well, there's a lot of slips empty, people out sailing, a lot of fishing boats gone. They probably went to some other ports, I don't know. But this is pretty drab. All over, nothing that they say is happening. What they say ain't happening. What's happening, they ain't saying. So, I'll get back in my little pickup and go home. Y'all have fun and watch out for the birds. They're coming for you.